Hello, class 7. This is your chapter number 19, that is conjunction. If suppose it's not mentioned in your syllabus, still this chapter is there in your course. Just check out once. If it's not mentioned, I'm again telling you this is there in your syllabus. So, conjunctions are, what are conjunctions? You people know in parts of speech that this is one of the part of speech out of that 8. Conjunctions are joining words. These are used to join two parts of a sentence. This is what we know about conjunction. Co-junction, they join two part of a sentence. They are used to join words, groups of words, phrases and sentences. What are the examples of conjunctions? And, or, because, but, whether, till, once, all these are your conjunctions. Now let's see some examples that is given here. Like Riddhima bought a dress and a pair of shoes. Would you like to carry an umbrella or would you carry a raincoat? Then Dhruv cannot go out because the gate is locked. So in this three examples, the words written in block letters are your, in bold is your conjunctions. Alright, now kinds of conjunctions. What are the kinds of conjunctions? First is coordinating conjunctions, second is correlative conjunctions, third is subordinating conjunctions. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions examples is given here. We'll see this and then we'll do in details when this topic will come in your book. Examples of coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Correlative conjunction as, both, and, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, such that, such as, so as, and whether or. And subordinating conjunctions examples after, although, because, before, how, if, once, since, then, that, though, till, until, when, where, and whether. Now let's do coordinating. We'll start with coordinating conjunctions. So what are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions join together sentences or clauses that are equally important, like both part of the sentence are equally important. See the example, you can go there by bus or take the flight. So we are giving you an option and both part is important because you can either go there by bus, it's your wish, or you can take the flight, that is also your wish. So both things has importance. Then Meg is not available on Friday, nor will she be in town during the weekend. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, she will not be there. So this is an equally important information that is given about Megha. Then coordinating conjunctions include and, but, or, nor, neither, for, yet, still, so, and so on. They are used to add one statement or fact to another. They are used to connect. See, that is the work of a conjunction. But coordinating conjunction connect two parts of the sentences that are equally important. Now see coordinating conjunctions of addition. And, both, and, as well as, no less, not only, but also are also used as coordinating conjunctions of addition. See how it is used. And the bus arrived and the student got in. So you can see how these are added by removing this full stop. You can see in the second one that is given in bracket how it is used, and is used to remove full stop and it is added together. Then again it was cloudy and it started to rain. See again this bracket, it was cloudy, it started to rain. So we have used and to remove this full stop, and we have co-joined the two part of the sentence. Then both and, he is both fit and active. He is fit, he is active. So in place of writing this, we can write he is both fit and active. Next is Nidhi gave me both the bangles and hair clips. Nidhi gave me bangles, Nidhi gave me hair clips. So it's better to use these conjunctions and make them in a proper sense. Means it is looking proper. Alright. Then no less than. He is no less brighter than his sister. See how we have changed using this conjunction. His sister is bright, he's equally bright. So in place of writing this, we have used no less and then. Then she is no less attached to her grandmother than to her aunt. See how what was the original sentence? She is attached to her aunt, she is equally attached to her grandmother. Next is as well as. Ramesh as well as Sohan is hardworking. You can see the bracket how it is formed. Then Sarita as well as Geeta has left for school. Again bracket you can see. Then next is not only but also. He not only brought toys but also balloons. Then the next is the car not only had a flat tire but also ran out of fuel. So you can see that how we have removed full stop and we have used these words to join the two parts of the sentence, and that is what is the work of conjunction. Then next is coordinating conjunction of contrast. When we show contrast, that is now we were using to show addition, like both were in favor of the things, both were in favor, but now we will join two parts of the sentence that are in contrast with each other, or there is something in opposite of each other. There is, now see, the power cut lasted 2 hours but we could study in candlelight. So you can see that they're in contrast, that the power cut was there for 2 hours but we managed somehow to study in candlelight. So but, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas only are used to show contrast. Now see the example for but. We reached the ground on time but the match started late. See, we managed to reach on the time but the match started late. So these are in contrast. Then Ria has all kinds of dolls available in the market still, or yet she wants more. That she has everything, still she wants more. Then we knew our team would lose. Nevertheless, we continued to cheer the team members. So we knew that our team is going to lose the match. Still, we were cheering for them. Then Mona prefers coffee, whereas her sister prefers tea. Then I am fine, only a little tense. I am saying that I am fine, but I am a bit tense. Then next is coordinating conjunctions of choice. Now when we are given, these are used to express or to, they are used to express a choice that you have to take between two options. Two options are given and you have to choose one. Now see, for these we use or, either or, neither nor, otherwise, else. All these we use to show these. Then see, you must tell the truth or you will be in great trouble. So I am telling you, either you tell the truth or you will be in trouble. So it's better either you tell truth or just be ready for the consequences that you will be in trouble. So it is your choice. Pick one. Then you must concentrate on the lesson or you will not be able to understand it. So concentrate it or you will not be able to understand it. Next is mother will neither prepare noodles or pasta. She is not going to either prepare noodles or pasta. So you have to pick one, that what you want, noodles or pasta. Then we can either go for a swim or play basketball. Again, you have to pick one. Either you can go for swimming or either you can go to play basketball. Then next is he is neither alert nor careful. So neither he is alert, neither he is careful. Then Neelam is neither a good dancer nor a good singer. So she is bad in both things. Then get up, otherwise you will be late for college. So get up or you are going to be late. Then run fast, else you will not catch the bus. Next is coordinating conjunction of reasoning. When one statement or fact derived as conclusion on the basis of another fact. See, for this we use so, therefore and for. See, he did not put in an application, so he will not call for the interview. So as he hasn't applied for the post, maybe whatever the post is there, he hasn't applied, he hasn't filled the application, so he is not going to be called for the interview. That is the consequence of that. Alright. Then he did not put in an application, therefore he was not called for the interview. You can write in any way. Then he worked with dedication so he could get well in exam. As he is working hard with dedication, that's why he is going to do well in his exam. Then next is for, let me take the medicine for I have fever. I have fever, so that's why I'm taking medicine. Then let her leave now, for she has to travel a long distance. Now let's leave her, let her go, otherwise she is going to be late as she has to travel a long distance. Then exercise A, you have to join these sentences using suitable conjunctions. Do it properly here. I will tell you orally. After that, we will do it in I'll show you in written form at the end of this video. See the first one. Ria walks to the bus stop every morning. Ria goes to school by the school bus. So what will be the answer? Ria walks to the bus stop every morning because she goes to school by the school bus. So you can see here that we have removed this full stop and we have used because and we have joined it. And we have used pronouns she, because it doesn't look nice writing name again and again. That is why pronouns are used. I hope you all remember this. Then second, Sunny remembered my anniversary. He bought me a gift. What will be the answer? Sunny remembered my anniversary, so he bought me a gift. Next is, my sister is very creative. She writes very well. What will be the answer? My sister writes very well as she is very creative. Then fourth is, the computer stopped working. It was old. What will be the answer? The computer stopped working as it was old. Next, you must write well. You want to win the competition. If you want to win the competition, you must write well. Next, winters have set in. Tourists keep coming in large numbers. Winters have set in, so the tourists keep coming in large numbers. Next is, Mr. Jan is very rich. He is very down to earth. Although Mr. Jan is very rich, he is very down to earth. 8 is, petrol prices will increase from tomorrow. There is a huge line at the filling station today. There is a huge line at the filling stations today since petrol prices will increase from tomorrow. 9th, Ria's pencils were expensive. She gave them to Meera. Although Ria's pencils were expensive, she gave them to Meera. Last, it was raining. We did not go for our swimming classes. It was raining, so we did not go for our swimming classes. Alright, so this finishes our exercise A. Next is correlative conjunctions. What are correlative conjunctions? They are used in pair. Alright, correlative conjunctions are used for joining either words or sentences. They appear as pair and are used to link equivalent sentences. Examples, so and that. Like, see the example, the tsunami was so powerful that it destroyed the entire city. So you can see that they are used in pair. So and that is used as pair. Then either you complete the project by tomorrow or you leave the job. So again it is used as pair. Then no sooner did the bell ring than the teacher came to the class. No sooner did I open my umbrella than it started raining. The next, although she is very famous, yet she is humble. Although she is not well off, yet she helps the needy. So you can see that they are used in pair. Other examples are as, both, and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, such that, such as, so that, whether or, and so as. Now see, for both and, Divya is both a dancer and a singer. You can see how it is framed with this sentence given in bracket. Then not only but also, he was not only given not only a trophy but also a cash prize. Then either listen to my lectures or leave the class. Neither John nor Jane attended the party. Such was the condition of the house that rainwater was dripping from the roof. The next is, it was not such a book as you would like to read. It is not such a holiday spot as you had imagined. Then next is, the book is not so interesting as you think it is. Next is, he is as busy as a bee. Next, scarcely had I paid the money when a pickpocket snatched my purse. He had hardly got up from the bed when the guest arrived. So in this way you can see we are using them in pairs. This is what exactly we have to do here in this exercise B. You have to fill in the blank with the suitable correlative conjunctions. See the first one. Both the doctor and his wife enjoyed the movie. Then second, my mother was so happy to see me that she started crying with joy. Third, it was neither his fault nor mine. Fourth, either Ashok or you should take him to the hospital, like one of them has to go. Then fifth, neither was she a singer nor a musician. Sixth, both Krishna and Sangeeta are good human beings. Seventh, either you go off to sleep or start studying. I'm giving you an option. Then eighth, both hard work and sincerity will help you reach your goal. Ninth, either you can stay or you can leave. 10th, not only stories but also explanations will help you get your way. So this finishes our exercise B. Next, subordinating conjunctions, and whatever is left in this chapter we'll finish in the next video. Now I will show you the answer of exercise A in written form. If you have not followed anything, pause the video and write it properly. Everything has to be in your grammar copies, and read each and every example of correlative and coordinating conjunctions. So you can see the answers of exercise A in written form. You can see them. Pause this video and write the answers properly. Alright, so I am wrapping up here. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.